What if you could make real money without ever leaving your couch? No boss, no commute, no fluorescent lights buzzing overhead. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, it's not a fantasy. Millions of people are doing it right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Whether you're a college student looking for extra cash, a parent trying to stretch the budget, or someone who just wants a little financial breathing room, making money online is one of the most flexible options out there. You set the hours. Now, I want to be upfront here. Surveys aren't going to replace your full-time income, but they are a simple way to earn. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 legitimate ways to earn money online from home. Starting with the easiest one first. Number 1, KashKick. Okay, let's start here, because this one is genuinely hard to believe until you try it. KashKick is a free platform that pays you to do things you're probably already doing. We're talking about playing games on your phone, taking quick surveys, trying out new apps. Real money for real simple tasks. And I mean it when I say free. There's no cost to sign up and no catch hiding in the fine print. Millions of members have already cashed out through KashKick. So this isn't some sketchy survey site that disappears after 2 weeks. This is legit. Here's how the game side works. You sign up, pick a game, think Monopoly Go, Gardenscapes, Solitaire, and you start playing. KashKick tells you exactly which milestones to hit and how much you'll earn for each one. No guessing, no vague promises. Some games pay as much as $700 if you complete all the steps. Once you hit $10 in earnings, you can cash out via PayPal or grab a gift card. It's genuinely one of the easiest entry points into making money online. And it's a great place to start if you've never done this before. Number 2, paid surveys. Here's a question. What's your opinion worth? Turns out, companies are willing to pay for it. Paid surveys are one of the most straightforward ways to earn money online. Brands want to know what real people think, and they'll pay you to tell them. Now, I want to be upfront here. Surveys aren't going to replace your full-time income, but they are a simple way to earn. The good news, if you already signed up for KashKick to play games, you can take surveys there too. Just fill out your profile survey. It takes about 2 minutes and earns you $1 right away. That survey helps match you to the most relevant opportunities. KashKick shows you exactly how much each survey pays. No surprises, no wasted time. Think of it like getting paid for your lunch break opinion. Number 3, download and try out apps. Did you know companies will pay you for this? It sounds almost too simple, but it's real. Think about it from the brand's perspective. They want new users, they're willing to offer a bonus to get you through the door. That's where you come in. KashKick has an entire section called Deals, where you can browse dozens of sign-up offers. Some of these are pretty impressive. We're talking about bonuses ranging from 25 cents all the way up to $300. And plenty of them don't require you to spend a single cent. You simply sign up and collect your reward. New deals get added all the time. It's one of those opportunities that rewards you for staying curious. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Have you ever seen a disclaimer for affiliate links? That little disclaimer means the creator earns a commission whenever you click through and buy something. That is affiliate marketing. And if you have any kind of online audience, Instagram followers, email subscribers, even a small blog, it's a powerful way to earn. Here's the basic idea. You partner with a brand. You share a unique link. When someone buys, you earn a cut. Simple. The most well-known example is Amazon's affiliate program, but there are thousands of others across every niche. The key is to promote products that genuinely match your audience's interests, because the more relevant your recommendations, the more people click and the more you earn. Number 5, start a YouTube channel. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Everyone has a channel. But here's what most people don't realize. YouTube is still one of the best platforms to build long-term income online. You don't need millions of subscribers. You can begin monetizing with as few as 500 subscribers. From there, you earn through ad revenue, channel memberships, shopping integrations, and more. The trick is picking a niche you actually care about and showing up consistently. That's it. The earnings range is wide, from a few dollars a month to, honestly, millions. But the upside is real, and the barrier to entry, lower than you think. Whether you want something you can start in the next 5 minutes or something you're building toward, there's an option for you. And if you're looking for the easiest place to start right now, KashKick is the move. It's free, it's flexible, and people are cashing out every single day. I'll drop the link below. If this video helped you out, drop a like. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you there.